So this is where we missed,
What you're looking for.
I'm missing half of it
Small mister, but I don't.
because it really dries fast.
Pressure.
Yeah, but
All right, so half.
this is too big, isn't it?
I'm using a 1 inch. I have titanium buff, Naples yellow, cadmium red light, ultramarine violet, and cerulean blue. I'm gonna dip my brush in water, take some of the titanium buff. If you don't have titanium buff, use white. I'm going to take as well very small touch of Naples yellow. Come here, go across. Because my brush is wide, I'm able to cover a lot of surface, so it's easier. When you do that, it's much easier, and it doesn't dry fast. Now I'm adding a bit more of the Naples yellow into my titanium buff, just a bit, because it starts switching from a light, very light color on top to a medium or a yellowish color. Now I'm going to take red, cadmium red, or if you have any color you have, crimson, whatever you have in there, mix it, bring that color softly into the colors I'm using, and then now start putting these colors in. Try not to go up higher too much, because then you'll end up with the orange up there and you'll have to, work on it again. And okay, now.
How far down are you going? About halfway or so?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay.
Let's start adding slowly a touch more of that red, a little bit more. But you see how easy it is now to blend softly and with no brush stroke, because the brush is wide, the surface is wet, and that's the only way to have a soft blending is to have a wet surface. Now, really, acrylic is not made. I'm cleaning my brush, dry it, pick up some of the titanium buff and a bit of Naples yellow.
Wow, you're fast.
Pardon?
I said you're fast.
Oh, I'm working on a smaller, no, wait, I'm working on a smaller surface than yours.
Stop that.
Now, I'm going to take the same. I can stop if you want. This is a reflection. Reflection is going to be the same here. So red and Naples yellow.
Did you go from when you added the red? Did you add it just to the Naples yellow, or did you?
Well, no, I added the red to Naples yellow mixed with titanium buff.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the mixture that I had. I was working with. That's what I did. I added the red to it, but careful, really careful with red. Red is strong.
Yeah.
Careful,
Yes.
you end up with the
Red surface.
yes. Now, and gentle kind of like, you know, imagine you're holding you're using a feather.
Ooh,
Yeah, so very, very gentle. Don't push too hard.
Are we gonna do a second coat?
If you need to. Do you find that you might need to do you feel like you might need to do a second coat? On a bigger surface, maybe, yeah. On a 14, 11 by 14. It's amazing. It's still wet.
Yes,
yeah.
Great.
because of the big brush, maybe.
So the second layer I'm doing right now, I'm mixing titanium buff, again, a touch of Naples yellow and a very small amount of red. And the second layer, I wet the tip of my brush, and I mix these colors. I did not mist my canvas. Okay, so the more layers you put, the smoother it looks.
I'll go up and see if I can find it because I want mine to dry a little bit, so I'll go up and see if I can find it. Okay. I'll go up and see if I can find it.
And I'm going kind of across from one part of the canvas to the other, in a kind of a very soft angle. Crisscross. Thank you, crisscross. Okay, so there. That's a smoother. That looks smoother. Way better than before. So when I get to the bottom, I'm going to go back to titanium buff, and I'm going to add Naples yellow. And then again, there we go. Very gentle. And it looks a bit better than before. Now I'm not concerned about this side right here. You know, the center kind of, because there's another layer coming of another color. So I'm okay. What I really would like to have is this part nice and clean, bottom part nice and clean, the center, so many things are going to happen, so it's okay.
Layout, in your
Okay, so I have here cobalt blue and titanium buff. My brush is wet, kind of wet enough. Now I'm getting, you see here, I'm getting a band, a strong one here. So I need to soften all this. The first layer I put in here is cobalt and titanium buff right here. My brush is 1 inch, so it's wide. I'm not worried about the bottom part. Reflection is going to go here, but the sky, yes, I have to fix that. Now I'm going to take a bit of the ultramarine violet and push it into my color that I'm using and start adding a bit of ultramarine violet in here. Now I have on standby a bit of the orange of the background. I'm switching to a smaller brush, not as wide. And I'm taking that orange and I'm going to come here and just kind of mix it a bit with the blue. Now you might end up, that's why I'm saying it's better if you, once you get to this part here, start adding a bit of ultramarine violet, yes. So when you add the orange, it doesn't turn into green.
Are you blending right now with the blue?
Yeah, with the ultramarine violet and the orange of the background. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, good. Right. I know I said the bottom is not, we don't have to worry about that, but I'm just softening it a bit. That's it. All right, that's it. So this is ultramarine violet, titanium buff. I mean, we could put a bit of that salmon orange that we have in there to, again, tone it down a bit more, but we really don't have to. All right, brush. I'm gonna try to do this. These soft clouds up here. Okay, so let's take our purple color, go across soft with the tip of my brush. And it should be, your color should be a bit wet, so it shouldn't be, it's like glazing again. It's not heavy.
With a feather touch.
Yeah, soft touch.
And you put a little bit of orange in it too?
A very, very small amount of the orange that I have, the mixture. Yeah, just a very small touch. Because it's over orange, so you don't want it to be there. Okay, now I'm going to take a bit more of the ultramarine titanium buff, highlight my purple a bit. Clean my brush. This is not working. All right, this is good. A lighter version of the same colors I'm using. All right, that's it. So this is sap green. I mixed quite a bit of ultramarine, cobalt blue in it, and I added whatever I have left over of the ultramarine violet. Round brush, clean my brush. I usually wipe it a bit, and I'm gonna come here, and with the tip of my brush, kind of a fluffy,
Paint the shape of the.
yeah, where the
trees
hill
are-
or the trees meet
Yeah.
the sky, it is a soft edge, and then I'm gonna go down. I'll wait for it to dry. If I need to go darker, I'll add Payne's gray.
Green is such a harsh color.
Green,
Green. It's harsh.
yeah, but you want it to be harsh on this one, right? And go across where the water is. Again, I'm not worried about this too much, because what we're going to do, we're going to add the reflection of the sky over the water anyway. I can see that this might require another layer. Now, I have the color already, this greenish, bluish green color that I'm working with the round brush. I'm sweating, taking a bit of water from here, putting it in. And I'm gonna go.
Well, that looks familiar.
What, the reflection?
Yeah, pulling it into the water.
Yeah. Okay, this is good. Okay, that's good. Now, for the back, I'm going to pick up, for the ones in the back, I'm going to pick up a bit of the titanium buff, add it to my color, same mixture. A bit more blue in here. And then I'm going to do the same. Just going to, but this is going to be a bit lighter. Now I can see some of the green behind the ship, a bit, top part of the ship. So this is going to go down to here. Reflection is not showing well in, not showing, we don't have a reflection for this one, for these in the back. There's the reflection of the sky. All right. Now, once we put the ship in, and if we find that we need to put some white over that ship to start, you know, if there's green over it, too much green, we'll do that.
The second green, what it is, Leah?
Same green, but I added titanium buff in it to make it,
Yeah.
yeah, to push it back. I'm just adding a bit of more titanium buff and going over, not the whole thing, in certain areas, so it gives me kind of a bit of a texture in here. It's not flat. Okay, it's good.
Lael, in the,
Yes.
in the picture, you know where you pulled down the trees? If you look, it goes right across. I know there's a blue band right underneath where you are now for the sky, but there's also a green that goes all the way. So it looks like it is, keep going to the right towards the boat. See right there?
Right.
It looks like it is pulled in there.
You're
with
right.
that-
You're right.
with
You're
that
right.
lighter color.
You're right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You're right. Absolutely. I missed that one. Thank you so much. I don't have to go back after. You'll get a discount for that.
Okay.
Okay. There. It looks to me, it is a bit darker in here. This one here, it is a bit darker, but honestly, I prefer this color. I prefer it lighter.
It looks nice.
Yeah, than darker. I really. Okay. Now, this is almost kind of dry. So I am seeing a bit of yellow in there, like a yellowish green. I'm not going to go into this. What I'm going to do is the same color I had before, same. I'm adding a bit of titanium buff on top, and I'm going to come here and then just add a bit of that titanium buff to give it again some texture, so it's not flat. But
So
we need
you
need
put
the
titanium buff in that one, still gonna make it.
yeah Yeah, I just added titanium buff. Yeah, it gives it texture. You don't need to do a lot, but don't try not to lose the depth in there. You have like the dark. If you lose it when you're adding that titanium buff, over, the green with the titanium buff, not titanium buff.
Oh, just add the green, the dark green back again.
I'm putting the dark green again in between just to it gives depth and texture. I'm going to wait for it to dry. If I find that it's too strong, I can glaze it to push it back. But we'll see. I think it's okay.
Would you carry that into the water?
No, I'm darkening the water one more layer of just the green and cobalt blue, just because I'm not seeing it in the water. Yeah.
But is it too dark?
Now we're gonna have some reflection on top of that.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
I
the water,
know,
but this one here, maybe.
No, I'm talking about the reflection.
The reflection, no, the reflection is okay, I think.
It's okay.
Yeah. I'm just trying to fix the shape of this
Yeah, it's making the recording,
a bit.
not the recording of it.
Just trying to fix the shape a bit. I realized that I'm having a kind of half a round circle in here.
Maria, you've been quiet all night.